This video covers the multiplicative property of equality with integers. So an equation is a statement that two expressions are equal. They have an equality symbol, right? An equal sign. To solve an equation is to find all the numbers called solutions that make that equation a true statement. So let's take a look at this example. I have negative 2 times x is negative 4. So what value of x would make this a true statement? Now you can tell by looking at this, like, okay, maybe, yeah, like x is 2, right? Because negative 2 times 2 gives me a negative 4. But when things aren't as necessary, easy for us to just kind of visualize, we do need to have some tools and the proper mathematical steps to solve equations. And when it comes to solving an equation, we need to treat it kind of like a seesaw. We've got to keep it balanced. So the golden rule of algebra is what I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. Do unto both sides as you would do unto one side. And one tool we have to do that is the multiplicative property. So let's let A, B, and C be real numbers. If A equals B, then A over C is B over C, and A times C equals B times C, right? If I have two things that are equal and I divide them into equal parts, they stay equal. Or if I multiply them both, like double them or triple them, right, they still stay equal. So we can use this property to solve for x. I have negative 5. Let's switch to blue first. I have negative 5 equals x over negative 8. I don't like fractions. We don't like working with fractions. So in order to get rid of that fraction, we're going to multiply both sides by negative 8. That gives me 40 equals a positive x, right? Here I have negative 55 is negative 11x. I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by negative 11 because we like our x's lonely. We want them to have a coefficient of 1. That means that 5 equals x. And that's how we use the multiplicative property with integers.